Yo, what's up, fam? Today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of betrayal with the topic Coping with Betrayal, the ultimate guide to staying strong. Yeah, we're talking about that gut-wrenching, soul-crushing experience that can leave you feeling like you've been sucker-punched by life. But fear not, because we're about to unleash some serious wisdom bombs on how to rise above it all. Betrayal, man, it's like a slap in the face from someone you trusted with your whole being. Friends, family, even your dog could stab you in the back if they had the chance. But you know what? It's not about them. It's about how you handle it. First things first, let's talk about accepting that betrayal. Yeah, it's gonna sting like a mother, but facing the ugly truth is the first step to reclaiming your power. Don't sugarcoat it. Don't hide from it. Embrace the pain, because that's where the healing begins. But here's the kicker, folks. Don't get stuck in the past. Dwelling on the betrayal ain't gonna do squat for your mental health. Instead of wallowing in self-pity, flip the script and ask yourself, what can I learn from this dumpster fire of a situation? Trust me, every dark cloud has a silver lining. And while you're at it, give yourself a freaking break. Healing takes time, and ain't nobody got time for rushing that process. Treat yourself to some self-care. Indulge in your guilty pleasures and surround yourself with positive vibes. You deserve it, damn it. Now let's talk forgiveness. Yeah, I said it. Forgiveness ain't about letting the betrayer off the hook. It's about freeing yourself from the chains of anger and resentment. It's like giving yourself a mental spa day, minus the cucumbers on your eyes. Last but not least, focus on you, boo. Don't let the betrayer steal your thunder. Set some kick-ass goals, chase your dreams with fire in your belly, and don't forget to savor every damn moment. You're the star of your own show, so shine bright like a freaking diamond. So, there you have it, folks. Coping with Betrayal, the ultimate guide to staying strong. Remember, you're a freaking warrior, and ain't no betrayal gonna bring you down. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more epic wisdom bombs coming your way.
We got work to do.